With its clear finish and deeply penetrating properties, Intergrain's oil-based Universal Timber Oil is designed to nourish and protect all timber species from within. And unlike mineral oil coatings that lock you into a system of solely mineral oil recoating, Universal Timber Oil has an unlock system, meaning you can flexibly coat water or oil-based coatings in the future. It's even designed to overcoat existing mineral oil coatings. So let's unlock a whole new level of timber protection and restoration by overcoating an existing mineral oil coating deck with Universal Timber Oil. But first, here's what you'll need. Intergrain Universal Timber Oil, Intergrain UltraPrep Timber Cleaner, Intergrain DeckBrush, Cabot's deckhand bucket, flat blade stirrer, stiff bristle brush, hose, cloth, and your safety gear. In order to remove surface contaminants and help restore weathered, grey, mould or mildew affected timber, start by mixing 1 part Intergrain UltraPrep Timber Cleaner to 4 parts water. This high-strength timber treatment contains naturally occurring biodegradable acids, so it's safe on the surrounding garden and lawns. Start by wetting the deck with water. Apply the mixture generously to the timber with a stiff bristle brush. Scrub vigorously and leave for 10 to 15 minutes, but never allow it to dry. Then rinse off using maximum pressure from a garden hose or a high-pressure water cleaner. Pro tip: failure to thoroughly remove mixture may result in timber discoloration under clear finishes. Allow the timber to thoroughly dry before applying your oil. Now let's dive into the true magic of Universal Timber Oil. It's designed never to flake, peel or blister and helps prevent warping, cupping and splitting. Being a clear oil, Universal Timber Oil will allow the timber to gradually fade over time to a natural grey. This can be tinted using Intergrain colour additives to a range of colours for longer lasting finish. Start by stirring the oil thoroughly before and during the use with a flat blade stirrer. Then using your applicator, brush or spray, generously apply Universal Timber Oil to the deck. Backbrush to help even penetration and ensure the edges and end grain are fully coated. Pro tip: Intergrain's DeckBrush is designed for maximum pickup, meaning you can carry more oil so you get the job done faster with less trips to the bucket. Plus, its long filaments are perfect for getting between the boards. Allow the oil to penetrate for 30 to 60 minutes before wiping off any excess oil with a cloth, then wait 24 hours before applying a second coat. And job done! Universal by name, universal by nature, Universal Timber Oil is suited to all exterior timber applications. Don't be locked into an inflexible mineral oil system. Overcoat your existing mineral oil coating with Universal Timber Oil and give yourself the flexibility of water or oil-based coating in the future. No more limitations, just endless possibilities with Intergrain Universal Timber Oil.